Welcome to our tutorial on how to add background in CapCut PC. 1. First, open the CapCut app on your computer. 2. After, start a new project. 3. Then select Import on CapCut. 4. Now choose a video from your computer. Select a video from your computer. 5. Next, hold the imported video and drag it to the edit bar. Hold the imported video and drag it to the edit bar in CapCut. 6. In the next step, with the clip selected in the Basic tab, check the Canvas option. With the clip selected in the Basic tab. 7. After, select from the list the type of background you want to add to the clip. 8. Finally, if you selected color, choose the color you want to set for the background of the video. You have learned how to add background in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.